I want my own vanity, yeah, for this world where we dey. When me I fit see you and you fit see me, see the kind car where I dey drive, and the kind house where I dey live, and the kind life where I dey live. You go see my skin like this. It go be like water. And no one make person tell me what to do. I don't want make anybody tell me how I should be living my own life. Carry that your advise yourself. Oh, when they preach rubbish, give person, when person supposed to do something, they exchange in life, they trade in life for better life. They trade in time. Now go they give person this kind preaching. When they make person they feel say everything don't do okay. Everything no dey okay. Oh. Let me tell you, nothing is okay. Come from place where we say money no dey at all. You see all those kind of life where people they live, where we say a normal life be that, like normally human being. From a place of say you no commit any crime, from a place of say you are not a slave. That is how you are supposed to be living. Normally, all those life they like luxurious life to where me I come from. Like if you talk and make it enter my mama ear like this, it dey be like say you talk say person steal. But if you check this thing well, that the normal life where person supposed to live be that. They will call the tell me say, they spray for money. Don't look for money. Too much money is sin. I want my own. I want everything in heaven, bro. See, if you tell me that kind of thing, I want my own vanity here on earth. Anything una dey share for heaven, more una share and give una family members. More una share and give una self. That is the kind of life I want to live. All those like when una dey talk say rich in spirit, bro. I want to be rich in my body. See, I don't talk my own. I put am for video. I put am for social media. This is a consent. If you see me for streets, just avoid me with your advice. Just avoid. Make sure say you avoid me. Leave any other thing. Avoid me. Avoid me. I don't want stupid advice. I don't want advice where will make me the feel say I no deserve things where we say other people get, other people they drive better car, they live better house, they live meaningful life, and they live stupid life. You only get advice from me. Like you want me to inherit your advice. You want me to live life where we say go impress me. Like when they wake up every day, they be like, which kind of life be this? Like they feel like, oh, I don't wake up again. Now you are telling me that my own. When I don't do anything, I'm not a slave. I don't do anybody bad thing. But you are telling me that my own wealth there for heaven, bro. I want my own vanity here on earth. I don't want go. They say, person wey want money. I dey hear some people they talk say person wey want money, they want life. Person wey want money, they want life. Mona come collect una life. Give me money. Yes, I want money. Mona stop to dey tell me rubbish things. You see all those expensive car, the latest car as we dey now. The latest car where people they drive. I want them all of them, round them up, tell me the price. I want it. All those big house. Who supposed to live for those house? Christian things they make when they feel say like good life is sin. Like a person they live good life, luxurious life, that is sin.